Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will be discussing the questions of exercise 10.2 under the chapter linear equation in two variables, specifically the third question. So the third question given in the textbook is, check which of the following are solutions of the equation x minus 2y is equal to 4 and which are not. So they have given us 5 pair of values. Among these pair of values, we need to check which pair of value is the solution of the given equation. So in order to check the solution for the given equation, we need to see which pair of value satisfies the given equation. So how do we proceed with this? The first option given here is 0, 2. So before going to that, we have to write down the equation. X minus 2y is equal to 4. In this equation, x minus 2y represents the left hand side and 4 represents right hand side. So we'll write that LHS is equal to x minus 2y and RHS is equal to 4. RHS is nothing but right hand side. Now the first option is 0, 2. We'll take the first option. So here in the ordered pair 0, 2, 0 corresponds to the value of x. Similarly, 2 corresponds to the value of y. Now we know that we have the values of x and y. Now we'll consider the LHS. LHS is equal to x minus 2y. In the place of x, we can substitute it as 0. So it becomes 0 minus 2 into, in the place of y, I can put it as 2. So into 2. So 0 minus 2 2s are 4. 0 minus 4 will give us minus 4. So be careful student, 0 minus 4 is not just 4, it is minus 4 because 4 is the greater number and it is carrying the negative sign. So but RHS from the given equation is 4. Here LHS we got the answer as minus 4. So what we can conclude from this is LHS is not equal to RHS. That is 0, 2 does not satisfy the given equation. So we can conclude it as 0, 2 is not a solution for the given equation. So we'll move on to the next question, sub question 2, 0. The pair of value is 2, 0. So same thing here, 2 corresponds to the value of x and 0 corresponds to the value of y. Let us consider the LHS x minus 2y. In the place of x, I can substitute it as 2 minus 2 into, in the place of y, I can substitute as 0. So 2 into 0. So it becomes 2 minus 2 into 0 is 0. So it is 2 minus 0. 2, anything subtracted, 0 subtracted from anything will be the same number. So it is 2. So LHS is 2. But we know that RHS is 4. Here we can conclude that LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, 2, 0 is not a solution of the given equation. So now we'll move on to the third pair of value 4, 0. So we know that left hand side of the given equation is x minus 2y and right hand side is equal to 4. We need to see whether this pair of values satisfies the equation or not. If it satisfies, then 4, 0 is the solution of the given equation. So here the value of x is equal to 4 and the value of y is equal to 0. 4, 0. So if I substitute these values in the left hand side, so the value of x is 4. So 4 minus 2 into value of y is 0. So it becomes 4 minus 2 into 0 is 0. 4 minus 0 gives you 4. So right hand side is equal to 4. Also left hand side is equal to 4. So I can conclude this as LHS is equal to RHS. So we can write here it as 4, 0 is a solution of the given equation. Now the next one, the fourth question. The fourth sub question given is root 2, 4 root 2. So here root 2 corresponds to the value of x and 4 root 2 corresponds to the value of y. So LHS is equal to x minus 2y. So I can substitute the values and write this as root 2 minus 2 into 4 root 2. Very simple, students. No need to get scared, as we have irrational numbers here. It is very easy to simplify. So root 2 minus 2 into 4 gives us 8 into root 2. So if I multiply this term, it will be 8 root 2. So now here in these two terms, we can take out root 2 as common. Root 2 into 1 minus 8. As we have taken root 2 common, we can write it as root 2 into 1 minus 8. So next thing, root 2 into 1 minus 8 gives us minus 7. So next, finally we can write this as minus 7 root 2. So we got the left hand side as minus 7 root 2. But what is our RHS value? RHS value is equal to 4. So what can we conclude from this? LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, root 2 comma 4 root 2 is not a solution for the given equation. So done with the fourth sub question. Now the next pair of values is 1 comma 1. As we already know, here 1 corresponds to the value of x, and the one more pair of value 1 corresponds to the value of y. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So left hand side is LHS in the given equation is x minus 2y. So it becomes, when I substitute the values for x and y, we can write it as 1 minus 2 into 1. So which is equal to 1 minus 2. I get the answer as minus 1. So 1 minus 2, I get the answer as minus 1. So LHS here it is equal to minus 1. So but we know that the RHS value in the given equation is 4. So what can we conclude from this? We can conclude that LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, 1 comma 1 is not a solution of the given equation. So in the given question, among the 5 pair of values, the third pair of value 4 comma 0 is the solution for the given equation, and the rest of pair of values are not the solutions for the given equation. This is the answer for the third question. In your exam, they will not be asking you to check for all the 5 pair of values. They may ask you for any 2 pair of values to check whether it is a solution or not. Thank you, students.